Welcome to TRK Studio, where timeless design meets comfort and quiet luxury. In today's video, we'll explore a cozy winter lodge atmosphere filled with warm fireplaces and gentle snowfall. Relax, enjoy the details, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. A cozy winter lodge interior centered around a large natural stone fireplace glowing softly, surrounded by warm oak wood paneling and a thick rustic mantel. Outside the wide panoramic window, gentle snowfall drifts across a pine forest, plush wool rugs layered over dark timber flooring, leather armchairs replaced with empty seating silhouettes, soft ambient lighting from brass wall sconces, muted neutral palette of cream, taupe, and charcoal, ultra-realistic, cinematic winter atmosphere. Luxurious lodge decor, high detail textures. An elegant winter lodge living space with a traditional fireplace built from stacked river stone, glowing embers casting warm reflections on polished wood beams, floor-to-ceiling windows framing a serene snowfall scene, heavy linen curtains in soft ivory tones, textured knit throws neatly folded on seating surfaces, aged brass accents, handcrafted wooden side tables, cozy yet refined alpine aesthetic, photorealistic lighting, ultra-detailed materials, timeless winter lodge design. A refined cabin-style interior showcasing a classic fireplace with carved stone surround and thick wooden hearth, flickering firelight illuminating layered wool rugs and natural oak floors, snowfall visible through tall glass windows, exposed ceiling beams with warm indirect lighting, neutral-toned cushions arranged symmetrically, subtle luxury decor inspired by European mountain lodges, calm winter ambience, extremely realistic textures, high-end cozy winter interior. A luxurious winter lodge lounge featuring a wide stone fireplace with softly glowing flames, surrounding walls clad in rich walnut wood, panoramic glass panels revealing slow snowfall outside, cashmere throws draped over structured seating forms without human presence, matte black metal accents, warm layered lighting creating depth and intimacy, timeless alpine elegance, cozy winter mood, ultra-realistic interior photography. Style, refined lodge decor. An intimate winter retreat interior with a central fireplace made of natural limestone, warm fire reflections dancing across smooth wooden floors, snowfall drifting past tall windows framed in dark wood, soft neutral textiles layered across seating zones, classic lodge styling with subtle modern refinement, brass candle holders and ceramic decor accents, calm and silent atmosphere, hyper-realistic lighting, luxurious cozy winter lodge aesthetic. A sophisticated cabin living room anchored by a handcrafted stone fireplace, glowing embers casting amber light across textured wood-paneled walls, expansive window views of falling snow at dusk, thick wool area rugs in muted earth tones, balanced rustic and elegant design, minimal yet warm decor styling, soft shadows enhancing depth, photorealistic winter interior, timeless lodge charm, highly detailed materials. A serene winter lodge interior emphasizing warmth and texture, featuring a wide fireplace with stacked stone and reclaimed wood mantel, snowfall softly blurring the forest view beyond large windows, layered textiles in linen, wool, and cashmere tones, subtle luxury accents in aged brass and ceramic, Cozy lighting with natural glow, elegant alpine style, ultra-realistic winter atmosphere, refined and calm. A high-end mountain lodge living area with a grand stone fireplace, glowing warmly against dark timber walls, snowfall gently visible through panoramic glazing, plush rugs and structured seating forms arranged symmetrically, neutral palette inspired by winter landscapes, soft ambient lighting enhancing material depth, refined rustic elegance, cinematic realism, cozy luxury winter lodge interior. A timeless winter cabin interior showcasing a classic fireplace with natural stone texture, firelight illuminating hand-finished wood floors, snowfall drifting quietly outside tall framed windows, carefully layered textiles in warm neutral hues, understated luxury decor with European lodge influence, calm and inviting atmosphere, photorealistic interior rendering, cozy winter living aesthetic. An elegant alpine lodge lounge centered on a glowing stone fireplace, surrounded by rich wood paneling and exposed beams, snowfall creating a soft white backdrop through wide windows, thick woven rugs and refined textile layers, warm indirect lighting enhancing coziness, balanced rustic and luxury styling, ultra-detailed realism, tranquil winter mood, timeless lodge interior design. A peaceful winter retreat interior with a low-profile stone fireplace emitting gentle warmth, snow-covered landscape visible through clear glass windows, natural wood finishes throughout, soft layered fabrics arranged neatly, subtle metallic accents for warmth, calm and cozy ambience, realistic lighting and textures, refined lodge-inspired winter decor, cinematic interior atmosphere. A luxurious cabin-style living room featuring a traditional fireplace with smooth stone surround, glowing embers reflecting off warm oak floors, snowfall softly falling beyond expansive windows, neutral-toned textiles layered for comfort, classic lodge elegance with modern restraint, soft lighting creating depth and intimacy, ultra-realistic winter interior scene, timeless cozy design. A warm winter lodge interior emphasizing natural materials, with a handcrafted stone fireplace as the focal point, rich wooden walls and ceiling beams, snowfall drifting gently outside tall windows, plush rugs and folded knit throws enhancing comfort, refined rustic styling, soft ambient lighting, photorealistic textures, elegant cozy winter atmosphere. A serene alpine-inspired interior showcasing a wide fireplace with layered stone textures, glowing firelight warming the room, snowfall creating a peaceful backdrop through panoramic glass, muted color palette of warm neutrals, refined textiles and natural decor accents, timeless winter lodge aesthetic, cinematic realism, ultra-detailed interior design. A cozy luxury lodge living space with a central stone fireplace, warm flames illuminating textured wood surfaces, snowfall softly blurring the outdoor forest view, thick woven rugs and elegant textile layering, classic European mountain lodge influence, soft lighting enhancing warmth, photorealistic winter ambience, refined and inviting interior. A sophisticated winter cabin interior anchored by a traditional fireplace, glowing embers casting soft shadows across wooden walls, snowfall visible through large framed windows, calm neutral furnishings arranged with symmetry, subtle luxury decor accents, warm layered lighting, ultra-realistic textures, timeless cozy lodge atmosphere. A tranquil winter lodge lounge with a natural stone fireplace, warm firelight reflecting on polished wood floors, snow falling gently beyond expansive windows, plush rugs and soft textiles enhancing comfort, understated elegance with rustic charm, cinematic lighting, photorealistic winter interior, refined cozy design. A classic alpine lodge interior featuring a handcrafted fireplace with rich stone detailing, warm glow filling the space, snowfall creating a serene winter backdrop, layered natural fabrics and neutral tones, refined rustic luxury, soft ambient lighting, highly realistic materials, calm and cozy winter living aesthetic. A peaceful winter retreat interior centered on a glowing fireplace, surrounded by warm wood paneling and subtle stone accents, snowfall drifting outside tall windows, plush rugs and carefully styled textiles, elegant lodge-inspired decor, timeless winter charm, ultra-realistic lighting and textures, inviting cozy atmosphere. A refined winter lodge living room with a wide stone fireplace, gentle firelight warming natural wood surfaces, snowfall softly falling beyond panoramic glass, balanced rustic and luxury styling, layered textiles in warm neutral tones, calm and intimate ambience, cinematic realism, ultra-detailed cozy winter interior design. Thank you for spending this peaceful winter moment with TRK Studio. If you enjoyed the cozy lodge inspiration and elegant details, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Your support helps us continue sharing beautiful, timeless design ideas with you.